Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, grade 3. Today we are going to start our first lecture of English. So let's start our topic, and our topic is indefinite pronouns. So let's see first what are pronouns. So pronouns are used in place of nouns. So what are noun? Nouns are name, place or thing. When we replace the name, place or thing with another subject, that is called pronoun. For example, when we say Ahmed is eating, so this is we have used noun Ahmed. When we replace the noun Ahmed with he is eating, then it will become pronoun. So let's see what is indefinite pronoun. So indefinite pronoun refer to people or things without telling who or what they are. So indefinite pronoun tells us about the things. ये हमें चीज़ों के बारे में बताते हैं और हमें ये बताए बगैर कि वो कौन है और क्या है. So जब हम चीज़ों को स्पेसिफाई किए बगैर बताएंगे कि ये क्या चीज़ है, तो these are called indefinite pronoun. So we will use nobody and no one for people. जब हम लोगों की बात करेंगे तो हम यूज़ करेंगे no one and nobody, and we will use nothing for things. When we are talking about things, we will use nothing. So let's read from the textbook. So open page number 7 from your textbooks. Let's see what are indefinite pronouns. So first is no one was happy about the traffic jam. So we are talking about people. People are not happy, so that's why we use no one. The second is nobody stopped at the traffic light. So who don't stop there? So these are the people who don't stop at traffic light. So that's why we use nobody. So we have studied that we use nobody and no one for people. So let's see another example of things. So there is nothing on the road. रोड के ऊपर कुछ भी नहीं है. So this is non-living thing or things. That's why we use nothing. So here we have studied that we will use nothing for things. So let's see the practical work from that workbook. So the exercise is given on page number 5 of your workbook. Grammar portion, indefinite pronouns. A part is circle the right option. The first option is they have dash to say about the traffic jam. So what will be the come? So we are talking about things. We will use nothing. They have nothing to say about the traffic jam. Dash understands the value of traffic rules. Who will not understand the value of traffic rules? No one, nobody, nothings. So we will use no one. We are talking about people, that's why we will use no one. The third option is Suleiman has dash to eat. Suleiman has nothing to eat. We are talking about things, that's why we will use nothing. Fourth option is he knows dash about car racing rules. So what he knows, we are talking about things, that's why we will use nothing. He knows nothing about car racing rules. Fifth option is there was dash in the stadium. So we are talking about people here. There was no one in the stadium. So we have finished our today's lecture. Hope you understand it. If you have any confusion, then you can ask. So take care and Allah Hafiz.